Alright, so here we have Quick Charge 3.0, and we've got a nice little voltmeter, and then if the bike is running. So now it takes the guesswork out. This is the same one, same style that I had on my green Ninja. It's got a dust cover that flips down. So this is going to make life a lot less stressful for me. No more guesswork when it comes to, is the bike charging, what's the bike sitting at. Literally flip it open, flip it on, and take a look. So either way, I've got what I need now as far as just the ability to be able to see what we're charging at, if we're charging, if we're just running off the battery and draining that battery down. I think that kind of wraps up the gremlins that we were having with this bike as far as electrical goes. Next thing is going to be putting a new gasket on the stator cover. Stator cover is down in here. So ultimately, I don't want any oil leaks at all whatsoever on this bike, right? It's not something that I want to think about. I don't want to be pulling up to friends' houses and leaving oil spots on their driveways, right? Because that's not okay. I am missing a bolt from the side of my fairing, so I'm gonna go onto Kawasaki's website and get the part number for that bolt. I know that sounds silly, but the bolts that go into the sides of the fairings are a very specific bolt, if I remember correctly. I don't think I can just go to Fastenal and get that, so that's gonna be my next plan. And then maybe I'll take a look at getting some stronger, better metal of these butt connectors. The butt connectors break easy because I crimped them a little bit hard, so I'm gonna try to find some better metal. This is my fuse block that I've got in the back of the bike under my NoHo seat cover. I really don't ride people on the back of my bike. So that's upcoming things that's on the agenda for the bike. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in our next upload.